Hi, good morning everyone. Today is October 15th, 2020. It's 6:48 a.m. here in Texas, and I'm about to take my motorcycle journey. And I'll get started. It's dark out, but it will be bright. I'm traveling northbound on Interstate 69, which was previously State 77. This is the major route that they're going to have from Mexico all the way to the Canadian border. Up ahead here where these cones are is the Border Patrol checkpoint for, we call it the Cerrito checkpoint. This is approximately 100 miles north of the Mexican border, down where I live. Here we are, Cerrito checkpoint. They only have one lane open today. It was 77.4 miles to the checkpoint. When traffic starts backing up, what they do is they just pull the people through, because it will back up too much. I've actually seen where they actually pull the side road and additional agents because there's so much traffic there. From what you see, southeast Texas is pretty much all flat. This is how it is. There's no contour to living down here. And missed having a little definition of the topography. I'll be stopping up on the left here. Will be a rest stop. We call it the Cerrito rest. It's very nice facilities. You can stop off there. They have barbecue grills, picnic tables, bathrooms and things like that. They have candy machines, soda machines. So I always pull in here before I make the big push up, going from here up to Corpus Christi. So I'm at the Cerrito checkpoint rest stop, and I'm just I usually always take a little break here. I'll be gassing up in Corpus Christi, so that'll be the next stop. taking a short break. I'm just south of San Antonio, making my way northwest. Anyway, it's a very nice day. It was a little bit cloudy around Corpus, but now it's cleared up. There's a rest area here. That's it. So I'm going to continue on, and hopefully I won't have any bad weather. I thought I was going to hit some rain at one point, but it didn't rain. Get back to you. I'm on Interstate 37 in San Antonio, pulling in here. Now, all you have to do is follow the signs to Interstate 10 to El Paso, and that's what I'm doing. You have to be careful there being on a motorcycle because people drive very fast in San Antonio, so you have to be very careful. There's always accidents every day on the highways here. I'm on Interstate 10, just west of San Antonio. The roadway is pretty much straight here up until you get within about 100 miles of El Paso. And then there's some twists and turns there. And I'm going to be approaching that location at nighttime. And I don't like traveling at nighttime, but I've traveled this route before, and there's not much to see out this way. I mean, it's beautiful landscape and everything. The speed limit out here is 80 miles an hour. That's the posted speed limit. And the weather was perfect. I don't have any complaints there. Now, from San Antonio to El Paso is about 550 miles. So it's a long ride, and I'm in it for the long haul. I'm trying to make time. When I see a gas station, though, I get off the motorcycle, stretch my legs, and I get gas, because the gas stations are few and far between out here. So if you're running low on gas, get gas, because there's not much gas stations out in West Texas. I'm doing the speed limit of 80 miles an hour, and as you can see, there'll be cars still passing me. And like I say to people, you could make the speed limit 120 miles an hour, and people will still pass you if you're doing 120. So it doesn't make a difference, but I'm not in a rush. I just want to get to my destination safely. And as you can see by my windscreen, I'm starting to collect bugs on the windscreen. I've cleaned this several times. I got hit in the leg by 2 bugs on Interstate 69, and they stung a little bit because they were large bugs. I'm here in Sonora, Texas. I'm still continuing westbound on I-10. It's pretty warm. Maybe you can tell from my face. I got a little bit of, it's a combination of wind and the sun. Anyway, I'm continuing on with the journey. As you can see, the sun is starting to set. I don't have that much sunlight left, so once it goes down, I'm going to stop filming. And anyway, it becomes dangerous trying to push the buttons on the camera and paying attention to the roadway, especially at night. Hi, good morning. I made it to El Paso. I rolled in last night. I was exhausted, and I didn't feel like doing any more videoing because I was so tired. I got in here around 10 o'clock at night, and they're on a different time zone here. Now, I live in Texas, Brownsville. I rode to El Paso. Now, this is like the last major city before you cross over into New Mexico. And I did total 827 miles. I don't know how significant you think that is, but I think it's significant because I can travel from New York to the northern part of Florida, which is 900 miles. So the southern tip of New York to Florida is approximately 900 miles. So, and I'm just in this state, so I didn't even get out of the state yet. But I had to travel at night, which I don't like to do, because if you know anything about the Texas highways, especially Interstate 10, which is a major corridor from east to west, you could take that all the way from the west coast to the east coast of the United States. It's a major trucking, and what happens is these trucks, they can their tires, and this happens normally. I've been on the roadway when it's like an explosion. A truck tire on the trailer, usually it will explode, and you have these big fragments of tires, and it's very hard to see at night. And don't forget, these roadways aren't lit. Another thing is, if you got to do this traveling, and you're on a motorcycle, get gas almost at every stop. The gas stations in the western part of the state, when you get out of civilization, you know, west of San Antonio, some of these gas stations are 140 miles apart. So you have to check your gas gauge, be aware of what's going on. I topped off at every gas station along the way, because I'm running the motorcycle hard. I'm doing 80 miles an hour. In West Texas, the speed limit is 80 miles an hour. coming up. It's 70, 75. Sometimes it went down to 65. But for the most part, when you get into West Texas, it's all high speed. So you have to do that. Now I'm staying right next door at this hotel on Interstate 10. It's the Ramada, and next door is Barnett's Harley Davidson. Now that dealership, I'll be going in and I'll take you for a little tour in there. But that Harley Davidson does high volume, and the reason why I wanted to stop next to it is I want to get an oil change for the motorcycle. So I'm going to be doing that later. I'll go to this service department. They're supposed to open at 9. Most dealerships open at 9, but their service department usually opens an hour earlier. Not this one. I already had gotten in contact with them. Anyway, I hope you like this. I'll make a separate video for that. Later on, I'm going to make another video. I'm going to be going to Benson, Arizona from here. And Benson is about a little over a 4-hour ride. And the reason why I want to go to Benson is I'm going to be going to Tombstone. So if you want, watch that video, and please click like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Have a good day, everyone.